I came across ads for Fixapro Scratch Remover, claiming it can instantly remove scratches, scuffs, swirl marks, oxidation, and stains from any car on any paint color using nanotechnology. The videos show deep scratches disappearing with a single wipe, promising professional results at home and saying it can replace expensive body shop repairs. Sounds impressive, but here's the reality. It's not true. Quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not promoting or selling this product. I'm exposing it so you don't fall for the same marketing tactics. Car paint has layers: clear coat, base coat, and primer. Once a scratch goes beyond the clear coat, it cannot be wiped away by a cloth, liquid, or nano formula. Real repair requires machine polishing, paint correction, or repainting. A wipe-on cloth cannot rebuild missing paint, no matter what the ads show. The truth is, Fixapro is not a scratch remover. At best, it's a very mild polish or filler. Think of it like polishing a scratched shoe. It may make the surface look a little better temporarily, but the scratch is still there. The nanotechnology language is just marketing fluff. There's no testing, technical breakdown, or independent verification. Most of these products rely on oils or fillers that only temporarily mask imperfections. Any improvement fades with the next wash, rain, or heat exposure. The sales page is also full of red flags, thousands of 5-star reviews, all hosted internally with no real verification, urgency tactics, countdown timers, massive discounts, and limited stock warnings, all designed to push impulse purchases. This product has also been rebranded and sold under different names before, with past versions criticized for being overpriced and ineffective. So let's be honest. Fixapro Scratch Remover is not a professional solution, not a body shop alternative, and not a real scratch repair product. It's a cheap cosmetic polish marketed as a miracle fix. Deep scratches will not disappear. They will remain, just like a polished shoe scratch. If you've seen these ads, tried this product, or almost bought it, let me know in the comments. Sharing your experience could save someone else from wasting their money.